Guys, hali kayo, dali! Sama kayo sa akin at dadalhin ko kayo dito sa all-you-can-eat meat restaurant called Fogo de Chao! Okay, let's get our plate at tingnan natin kung anong makukuha nating fresh fruits and vegetables here dito sa kanilang market table. Alam mo, ito na yata ang may pinakamasarap na bacon kasi they flavored their bacons with black pepper. Tawag nila dito black pepper candied bacon. Talagang crunchy at sweet. Masarap siya. Mayroon din silang charcuterie. So they have cured meats here. They have aged cheese. They also have mustards and jams. And alam niyo ba guys, share ko lang, mahilig ako sa cheese. Kaya madami akong nakain ito. Sobra. Kaya good luck hypertension na naman si Ma'am Shiteta. Alam nyo guys, sa totoo lang, lahat na yata ng mga items dito na tikman ko kasi lahat masasarap. So anyway, wala ka talagang hihindian dito. Fresh fruits, fresh green leafy vegetables. Ay nako, talagang mag-e-enjoy ka. Side dishes mo pala ito dahil may mga meats na darating sa'yo later. Different types of meats. Kaya pagbalik mo dun sa table mo, mag-intay ka na dahil darating na yung mga meats na isa-serve nila. Okay, so once na ready ka na sa meats mo, you just have to flip the card green para yung gauchos ay babalik na or pupunta na sa iyo para servan ka na ng meats. So, ganyan. Kuhanin mo lang siya ng iyong little tong. At iba-iba ang types ng meats nila. So, if you don't like the meat that they are offering, you don't have to say yes. You just have to say or simply say, no thanks. At syempre, yung kanilang very popular na cheese bread na you can eat as many as you want also. Kaya lang mabubusog kayo. Alright, toast muna kami ni Daddy to start the meal. So one thing that I like here, very comfortable ang dining experience namin. Yung bang friendly yung staff, yung food is good, fresh lahat, fresh ang meats, fresh ang fruits, fresh ang vegetables, grabe. Really such a wonderful experience. This is actually my second plate, kaya ini-enjoy ko talaga every single item nila tinitikman ko at sobrang fresh talaga. Napakasarap. So, ganun, dating lang ng dating yung meats kasi naka-green pa yung kay Daddy at saka yung sa akin, yung medalyo namin. Kung ayaw nyo ng meats, you can just say no. Pero kung gusto nyo, yeah, you can try them. All of them. Lahat actually ng meats ay prepared different flavors. Kaya kung gusto nyo tikman, pwedeng tikman lahat. And they will offer you everything. Hindi sila magtitipid. Talagang never-ending ang dating ng mga meats. Different kinds.
What do we have here? What do we have here?
Grilled cheese with honey.
Thank you.
Alam nyo guys, masarap ma-experience ang ganitong dining culture na Brazilian style of dining pero matitikman mo sila sa ganitong setup. Yung naman simply saying na bringing the Brazilian tradition here in America, kaya marami talagang nagpupunta dito at iba-ibang lahi. Anyway guys, ang kinuha pala namin ay churrasco experience. Normally ang bayad niya ay $69.50 pero tonight nakuha lang namin siya ng $39 per person kasi nga naka-promo siya. Naku, busog na ako kaya turn ko na ito ng stop. Red na tayo, red. Stop na. No more meats. Itong cheese bread, ang dami kong nakain. Sobra. With coffee ito, the best. Alright, beautiful people. We had a very wonderful experience, dining experience here at Fogo de Chao. We took advantage of the promo na $39 lang per person instead of $69.50. And the whole dining experience is awesome. Talagang sobrang sarap-sarap. At kita nyo naman guys, ang dami-daming tao sa labas. So anyway, talagang pinipilahan itong Fogo de Chao. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. And sorry kung nagutom kayo, pero I'm just sharing this wonderful experience with Fogo de Chao Restaurant in Pasadena, California. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Mwah!